This part we are covering it up. This is a little part of one.
It should have been. So today is the day when we are moving towards that distribution situation where we can reach out to our customers through a very decent state-of-the-art showroom and workshop. 212 Bike Point is a dealership which is promoted by there are a group of people, but two of them are very conversant with the industry. They are known people in the automobile industry, tractor industry, four-wheeler, two-wheeler. So we believe that their expertise, what is the reason behind such an expansion of network. So when we say 31 dealerships in Chennai, there will be 2 or 3 more dealerships which will share that moment of joy with you in next 30 days to 45 days. Friends, this journey of Mahindra two-wheeler started around 6 years back when we started our business with scooters after acquiring assets of Kinetic and some of their product range. For first 3-4 years, because some of you would have these questions at these 2 facilities and all the expertise of Mahindra Group, including we have Mahindra Research Valley in your own town. And so group has a lot of resources, a lot of strength as far as automobile business goes. So with that, we are now with sizable entry into two-wheeler space. Scooters, as I said, we started with motorcycle Centuro, which we launched around 9 months back in July last year. We started with a huge booking all over the place, and these are the 3 scooters we sell, as I said, that is. And now we have 2 motorcycles. In fact, we have 2 brands of that's the latest offering we have. So we have 3 motorcycles, Centuro, Centuro N1 and Pentero. So these are the 3 motorcycles we have, and we have 3 scooters, as some of them are displayed. Yeah, we have full excess of 1.3 lakh.
1.3 lakhs.
1.3 lakh.
Already sold, and every day we sell around 800,000 vehicles every day, so that's a continuous thing.
But for weeks to come, we'll give it immediately. Scooters.
Centuro price, someone was wanting, it is 47,101, 47101, ex-showroom Chennai.
What's the model?
Centuro,
Centuro?
yes. And Centuro N1, this is the key. So you have typical keys like sharp, this thing, and this you can open with the press of button like this. So it's very innovative thing. And then this key has got 3 buttons here, right? One is for LED torch. So just in case, and Shada will also speak in Tamil because I can't speak. It uses a mechanical key without the microchip, but identical key, duplicate key, right? Without the support of the microchip, which we have done just now, it will make noise like this.
இந்த அலாம் வந்து 30 செகண்ட்ஸ் அடிக்கும். ஸோ யூஸ்வலாக யாராவது வண்டி திருடி ட்ரை பண்ணுறாங்க, நம்ம மேலே எங்கேயாவது இருக்கோம்னா யூ வில் நோ தட் தெர் இஸ் சம்திங் ராங் கோயிங் ஆன். அலாம் வந்து கெட்ஸ் ட்ரிகர்ட் ஆஃப் வெரி ஈஸிலி. ஸோ ஒன்லி திஸ் கீ கேன்.
After a particular level reserve, then it also indicates how many more kilometers can it go. So it is an indication, not a confirmed driving this thing, but it indicates that if you are left with 2 liters of petrol, depending on in what traffic condition you have been driving earlier, basis that it will program and tell you that you have so much of petrol, which is microchip ignited. 5 is some technical term. So that's the engine we have, which gives you a mileage of